Hello students. Today we're going to do a little review of our solfege, and I've got a solfege ladder here. Solfege, remember, is that word, it only is used in music, but it refers to our steps of the scale and the words that we use to say those. So, on our solfege ladder here, I've got 8 steps, and that's because there's 8 steps in the scale. And you might know what those are. They go do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, and high do. Starts the pattern over. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Heading right up the scale. Now, there are some hand signs that go with each of these. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, and do. But we don't need to remember all of those today because we're not going to use all of them. We're just going to use so, mi, and la. So we've got these 3 steps on our ladder. And we better warm up because we're going to sing some patterns using these. My turn, your turn. Oh, nice easy sigh, lots of air. Go ahead. How about yummy? Yeah, just trying to get everything warmed up and loosened up. How about yoo-hoo? All right, let's try a few patterns here just using so, la, and mi. My turn, your turn. Try to also use the hand signs that I show you too, and you can look at the screen over there on our ladder. My turn, your turn. So, mi, so, mi. So, mi, mi, mi. Lots of air, light and easy. Try so, la, la, so. Or so, la, so, mi. So, mi, la, la, so. Or so, la, mi, yum. I like that one because it sounds like salami, get it? Let's read some patterns off of the staff. So we've got the staff here, and those are the lines and the spaces between the lines that run left to right. Now I have to admit this is not the real musical staff. This is a simplified one because normally the musical staff has 5 lines on it, and this one only has 4 if you count really carefully. We don't need all the lines today because we're only using so, la, and mi. We've got this little equal sign, which is telling us where our home note is, the bottom of the ladder, so that would be do down there. But we aren't using do today. We're just going to be using these 2 spaces, which, if you look at those, they're both on spaces, so there has to be something in between. So if you think about back to our ladder, those notes on our staff are so and mi. So, mi, sing it. Let's do some patterns reading just with so and mi first. How about this one? Take a look at it. Can you think how it would sound inside your head before we sing it together? We've got our high sound, which is so, and our low sound, which is mi. So this would sound like so, mi, so, mi. You sing it. Or how about this pattern? Think how that would sound inside your head. All right, let's see if you were right. My turn, your turn. So, so, mi, mi. Okay, what about this pattern? High on the ends, low in the middle. Let's see if you heard it right. So, mi, mi, so. Okay, but we had that line up there that's higher than so. Do you remember on our ladder which note or which solfege step was higher than so? That's right, that's la. Let's try so, la, so. Yeah, we got to use lots of air up there, so make sure we sing in tune. Let's do some patterns adding la in now. My turn, your turn. La, la, so. Or what if we do a little bit of everything here? My turn, your turn. So, la, so, mi. See how it goes from the top space up to the top line, back to the top space and then skips to the lower space. So, la, so, mi. All right, let's try this one. So, mi, so, la. Now I'm sitting here at the piano because today I want to kind of quiz you and see how well you're doing at recognizing these patterns when you hear them. So I'm going to play a pattern on the piano, and I want you to see if you can figure out what it would be with our solfege syllables so, la, which is higher, and mi, which is our lowest. And they sound like this. Mi is low, so is high, and la is the highest. Let's see if you can figure out what pattern this was. We'll start easy. Sing it back after you hear it this time and see if you're right. Hopefully you got so, mi, so, mi. Is that what you got? If so, nice job. Now that you do know the answer for sure, let's sing it together. Ready, go. So, mi, so, mi. Okay, what about this pattern? See if you can figure out what this one is. Where did it start and what direction did it move? I'll play it again. This time sing it back after you hear it with our solfege syllables that you think are right. Go. Hopefully you got so, la, so. Did you? Let's try it together. Ready, go. So, la, so. Okay, let's try one more for practice here, and let's mix all three of them together and see if you can figure it out. Where did it start? How did it move? Okay, I'll play it again, and this time sing it back with the solfege syllables that you think are right. Here's my turn. Did you get so, la, so, mi? Hopefully that was pretty easy if you're really listening carefully and thinking about that solfege ladder. Let's sing it one time together. Ready, go. So, la, so, mi. All right, if you want a little more practice singing along with this, you can rewatch this video a little bit. But I have some quiz questions for you to answer. Listen to the video link and see if you can figure out what the pattern is, and I gave you some multiple choice answers there. Find the one that fits and select that. Good luck!